This video, we're going to talk about 3 healthy kidney breakfasts, each with a little higher protein content, 2 that are plant-based vegan, and 1 that does have some animal protein. So thanks for tuning in. I'm Robert Galarowitz, naturopath, nutritionist, 19 years living with a kidney transplant that wasn't supposed to last more than 7. My obsession, my life is kidneys. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. So first, diet. We're going to do a lower protein diet here. So here's where you can take 2 slices of a high fiber or a whole grain bread, preferably a high fiber whole grain bread. Pick the lowest sodium options that you have. So you can toast that. You can put some plant-based low salt butter on there, or if it's okay in your diet, you can have butter, just no salt butter, low sodium or no salt, which would be preferred. You can also do a little bit of avocado if you want to spread that on your toast. Maybe do about 1/5 to 1/4 of an avocado. All depending on your potassium. You probably won't be restricted. There's no reason. So you can do the avocado in a little larger amount, but if you are restricted, you may want to use a really small amount or avoid it. So you can use the avocado, you separately put it on your toast. From there, you can do a glass of almond milk, or better, to do a fruit smoothie, because that'll help you feel full. So the fruit smoothie, you'll do almond milk, you can do berries, you can do 1/3 to half a banana. If you don't have any blood sugar problems, just be mindful of the fruits you use. You can do an apple, okay, you can do a little pineapple. So generally you can use any fruits. Try to stick to more kidney friendly ones, but really any fruits are okay, as long as no issue with potassium. Maybe you put a little bit of honey in there to sweeten it. So that's one breakfast, okay, lower protein, completely plant-based. So the second one can be a tofu scramble. For people not familiar with tofu, that's a soy product. You'll find it in the open refrigerator section of most supermarkets. There's firm to extra firm. For this, we're gonna use extra firm. So it's kind of like you're doing an egg scramble, but you're doing a tofu scramble. So it comes in a block. Generally it's low sodium, but make sure you pick the lowest sodium there is. You can crumble it, okay, you can cut it into small pieces in blocks, and you put a little oil in your pan, a little olive oil. You can put the tofu in there, you can put some onions, you can put some peppers, you can put a little bit of asparagus, you can put a little bit of zucchini. Zucchini is something else you can put in, nutritional yeast, something else. So you can just saute these up, and that's your breakfast. Generally a half cup of tofu with about 10 grams protein. Could be more depending on how dense it is, so look at the amount. And you can increase the serving size if you're hungry. Okay, so the third dish we have is a little bit of animal protein. You can have 1 egg. You can scramble an egg, or you can hard boil it, however you like. Add some seasoning, spice it. You can even add a little vegetables, but you can do 1 egg. Okay, a lot of people do the hard-boiled egg. Okay, then you can do a soy yogurt. Getting soy products, soy protein's easier on the kidneys, but this gives you a little bit more protein if you like, to help maybe steady your blood sugar if you just want more protein in your diet. And you can have 1 to 2 apples afterwards. You can even do baked apples. Okay, you can look on recipes online for baked apples, but that's 3 kidney breakfasts that you can have and fits into any diet. Okay, the later ones higher protein. The first ones I did were lower. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our videos.